Now,
Okay.
eyebrow.
Eyebrow time.
Okay, so
You don't want to change the line, eyebrow.
no, not at all.
Shape.
You see, it starts to get very light starting here. So from here to right here, I would just want to fill it in just on the inside with just some hairs to make it match this. And then maybe from here to here, also a tiny bit.
During the surgery, I will implant here, especially a little bit, and also this area. This area you don't need too much.
It's like this, like the way you implant the hair is similar to the way you do up here.
Yes, but for the eyebrow, all of them is the single grafts. We have to choose the very soft hairs.
I see what you're saying now, okay. Yeah, I'm ready, doctor.
Okay.
I think it's off to an amazing start.
The local anesthesia will be continued just 5 to 10 minutes. During the anesthesia part, you will feel pain. But before we start the local anesthesia, we will use the comfort machine. It will help for the less pain. But during the anesthesia, yes, you feel pain 5 to 10 minutes. After the anesthesia part, during the surgery, you will not feel any pain. Don't. Okay. You have to be patient just 5 to 10 minutes.
I could do that. Yes.
We can start your operation.
Let's do it.
Great.
Break.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
I'm starting for the incision part.
Great, thank you so
In this
much.
stage, you will not feel any pain. But if you feel pain, please tell me directly, okay?
Okay.